What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to convert your MKV video file to MP4. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In order to convert your video file, we will make use of the VLC media player. In case you don't have the application installed on your PC, then visit vlc.onl to download the media player. Once it's downloaded, simply follow the install wizard to install the app to your system. Next, launch VLC and navigate to Media on the top left and select Convert/Save. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl and R to open this window. On this window, click on Add to select a file you wish to convert. In your File Explorer, navigate to the file you wish to convert and select Open. You can then see your file in the file selection. When clicking on Convert/Save, this Convert dialog will open up. Set the setting to Convert, and under Profile, you can choose the type of file you wish to convert this file into. The H.264 option will convert it to MP4 with a high file size, but it will not be compressed or lose too much quality in the process. If you wish to upload the video to YouTube, for example, then I suggest using Video for YouTube HD, which will also be converted to MP4, but optimized and reduced in file size for YouTube. Under Destination File, you can choose a folder where you wish to save your newly converted video to. When clicking on Start, the conversion process will start and take some time to finish, depending on the quality and length of your video file. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.